What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Concepts collaboration with Asics on the Gel-Lyte 3 OG in the Otoro colorway. This collaborative shoe dropped on June 11th for $150 US, which is the equivalent to roughly 190 Canadian. And the official colorway for this shoe is Coral Cloud and Pure Silver. So the whole theme of this shoe is inspired by Otoro, which is the highly sought after fattiest cut of a tuna's belly. And this is that cut of tuna that's adored by sushi lovers worldwide. And because Concepts was founded out of New England with the lobsters, there's parallels in that sense because back in the day, both lobsters and tuna weren't highly regarded as they are today. And it's just over time, both types of food have elevated their status, becoming one of the more expensive seafood products on the market. So here's a quick look at the box, and this comes in this gray cardboard box. It has this all over print on top, which I'm guessing is supposed to mimic the look of water, but if I'm wrong, definitely correct me down below. Either way though, on top it's finished off with both Asics and Concepts co-branding. So jumping back to the shoes, the entire upper is constructed using this very premium, high quality suede. And it's constructed in these various shades of pink, mimicking the look of Otoro. So starting things off with the toe box, here we have this very light, very pale colored pink suede. And then surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have this dark pink suede, along with these two cutouts on the lateral side, revealing this reflective 3M material underneath. Covering the bottom half of the eyelets, here we have this medium pink colored suede, and we have these two TPU eyelets in the center. Covering the upper eye stays, we have more of that darker pink suede, and then below this on the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, we have the classic Asics stripes, which is constructed out of pink suede, along with a backing of reflective 3M underneath. And these silver hits are a nod to sushi knives. Moving downwards, so we have more of this dark pink suede covering the upper portion, and then wrapping around the back heel, we have more of that medium pink colored suede, and debossed on the lateral side of the left foot, we have Gel-Lyte 3 branding, and then on the right foot, we have Concepts branding. And underneath this, we have this TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and support for the back end of the shoe. And above this in the center, we have another hit of reflective 3M with gel branding, and at the very top, we have Asics branding debossed in the center. For the laces, so these come standard with these flat pink colored laces, but they also give us a secondary pair of these pale green or light green colored laces, which is a nod to wasabi. Underneath this, we have your signature split tongue, which is constructed out of this pink suede, and this is what really gives the Gel-Lyte 3 its signature look. For the insoles, these come with these custom graphic insoles, with this tuna graphic on the left foot and this water graphic on the right foot, along with Asics and Concepts co-branding on the back heel. So the upper of these Asics Gel-Lyte 3s sits atop this full-length foam midsole, which is painted in this very pale pink on the forefoot and the back heel, along with a darker pink or red in the middle. And embossed on the lateral side, we have this Asics logo. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is constructed out of rubber in various shades of pink. And in the middle, you'll see the Asics logo once again. So for those wondering about sizing, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10, and overall they fit me pretty well in a slightly snug way. So I feel like if you have narrow, normal, or slightly wide feet, true to size will be perfectly fine. But if your feet are really wide, then you might want to consider going up a half size. However, by going up the half size, you might have too much room from a length perspective, so you might want to consider just passing on this shoe if your feet are really wide. Moving on to the topic of comfort, so I've said this before, but I honestly feel like the Gel-Lyte 3 is one of the most comfortable shoes on the market. The foam that they use and the gel technology within the midsole, for some reason it just feels really nice on feet. It has just the right level of plushness and softness, but not overkilling it to the point where it feels mushy on foot. So if you're looking for an everyday casual use shoe that feels very good on feet, then I'd definitely consider checking out the Gel-Lyte 3. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and craftsmanship, so I mentioned this before, the material quality was definitely exceptional. And in hand, you can really feel like it's a high quality, top-notch cut of suede. And from a craftsmanship standpoint, it was equally as good. I had no real issues with my pair at all. So all in all, I was very impressed with this job from Asics and Concepts. With all that being said now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. All in all, I gotta say Asics and Concepts knocked this one out of the park. I do have to say the theming of the shoe and how it connects with Concepts might be a little bit of a stretch, but putting that aside, I really think they executed the look of Otoro perfectly on this shoe. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this shoe. For everyone watching, did you guys grab these? Did you take an L, or did you just pass altogether? If you guys like this review, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. And if you haven't heard, I want to plug my podcast as well, the Channel 8 podcast. So the video versions of my podcast are uploaded on my YouTube channel, but the audio only versions are also available on most of your major podcast platforms, including Spotify, iTunes, and Google Play. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for the continued love and support, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.